Hello, I'm Tylah Tully and today I'm joined by Core Energy Minerals Executive Director Tony Greenaway. Tony, thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for having me. Great to be here.
So, Core Energy Minerals announced this week it's signed a binding agreement to acquire a new project in Brazil. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so look, it's the Itambe project that we've picked up. It's on the border of Bahia State and Minas Gerais, so it's an area that we know really well. It's serviced by some really good local infrastructure. We've got Vitória de Conquista just up the road. We're about an hour out of that. So daily flights in and out of there, so really easy to get into the project. It's a large tenement package, so we're looking at over sort of 320, 330 square kilometres. Only a small portion's been explored to this point in time. Lots of work to do, but a really good focus for us in that rare earth space in Brazil.
From previous work Rio Tinto has carried out, what do we know about Itambe so far?
Yeah, so like I said, it's a rare earth project in that northern belt, the southern end of the northern belt in Bahia State. What we know is that Rio have done a whole lot of soil sampling over the southern part of the tenement, and that's defined three really large high-grade anomalies for us. And when I say large, we're talking sort of 5 kilometres by 2 kilometres at plus 1500 ppm total rare earth oxide, which is really, really quite high grade. The peak in soil sampling there is up around 5000 ppm. So it's a really strong anomaly for us. They're all open in all directions. So lots of work to do there, but we know the geology is right, we know the structures are right, and we know there's rare earth sitting in there at soil, so in the soil profile. So a really good start for us to get going. And
when can we expect some action at Itambe, and what's the plan of action there?
Yeah, look, so we're ready to go boots on ground. Marcus and his team have already been out there, and I was there the week before last over in Brazil. So we've done our due diligence work. We're ready to go. We've just acquired all of the raw geophysical data. So we'll spend December, when the wet season's through, doing interpretation and some work on that geophysical data, and then we'll be boots on ground first thing in January. So it's quite exciting. We're looking at extending the known soil anomalies that are out there. We'll do some auger drilling out there as well, with the idea that we're looking to define firstly what that soil profile looks like and what the clay hosted mineralisation looks like in the weathering profile, and then also hoping to get down and tag the basement because we do have hard rock targets out there as well. There's some big players and some big deposits in this same belt. We know we've got the same geology that they do, we know we've got the same structures, and as I said, we're seeing rare earths at surface in soils. So really good start for us, lots of work to do, and we're going to be really active there come January.
Definitely very exciting.
Yeah, really.
How does this project complement your existing Tunas project?
Yeah, look, so Tunas is further to the south of us, also a rare earth project sitting above those granitic gneisses, similar to Itambe. We're a bit more advanced down at Tunas because we've done our first round of auger drilling down there. We've defined some good anomalies down there. So what it means for us for Brazil is we've got this real strong focus on rare earths, both up at Itambe and down at Tunas as well. So that's the push for us into the new year, rare earths in Brazil. So really excited to get on ground and make some noise over there.
Definitely. Tony, thanks for your time today.
Thanks very much for having me.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.